A very good morning to all of you, and welcome to Preval with Team William in India. Today, Jan 8, 2024, and a clear disclaimer that the registration granted by the SABI, the membership of BASL, and certification around NISM is no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of return to the investor. Investment in the security markets are subjected to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Okay, so if we look at Nifty 50 setup, it's been really good. So we are trending about 21 DMA no since long, and even the short-term moving average, we generally don't go behind that. But the pink line over here, that is the 10 EMA, that is the 10-week exponential moving average, and we have a very good support over there. I think since the second half of the November, or you can say almost at the beginning of the November, we have reclaimed that 10 EMA, and we are trading about that for almost 2.5 months. And that's a really good setup. I think only once intraday it was down. Then I think on Wednesday we just closed at 10 EMA, but we managed to, for reclaim it on the next 2 days. So last week we got two distribution day. So the distribution day count. So what the distribution day count is something that helps you track the market top. कि भाई मार्केट ऊपर ही ऊपर जा रहा है, अभी कुछ इंडिकेशंस देखने पड़ेंगे ना कि which indication show that okay it's time to fall a bit. 2-4% नीचे आने का टाइम है to test 21 DMA, 50 DMA, all those things. So there, distribution day helps you. Distribution day is nothing but 0.2% fall on Nifty. That is first condition, and second condition is volume should be higher than previous session. So we already got 4 days, so I think 1 or 2 days more, and if we breach 21 DMA, then we might move to under pressure. But I think we are comfortable as of now, and we can see that the 10 EMA, if we hold this level, then that will be really good for the market. If you see the news front, Titan's revenue growth was decent in the Q3 FY24 update. Jupiter Wagons received a contract worth 100 crores from a leading automobile manufacturer. Tata Steel's Q3 India's production volume grew almost 6.4% YOY to 5.32 MT. Bank of Baroda business grew 11% roughly, and advances grew almost 13.5%, while deposits were up 8.34%. If you see the global market, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, फ्राइडे को साहब कुछ फ्लैट क्लोज हुआ था. Everything was flat. Nikkei आज off है, market Japanese market are closed. Kospi is down like almost flat, and Shanghai is down 0.8%. So कुछ major indications नहीं है global market से, पूरा एकदम lackluster movement है वहाँ पे, and that's what indicated in the Gift Nifty as well. अभी अगर अपने का लास्ट टाइम का हमारा क्लोज देखे, so that was around 710, 21,710 on cash front. And if you look at the F&O front, it was 788. तो अभी अराउंड 775 के अराउंड हो रहा है. तो इट्स अ वेरी फ्लैट टू म्यूटेड ओपनिंग. 20-30 पॉइंट इधर या उधर खुलेगा. आई थिंक 600 अराउंड 21 600 अराउंड माइट गिव अ वेरी गुड सपोर्ट, और उसके बाद वो 500-600 वाला जोन. सो पूरा वहां पे नीचे अभी यहाँ से 50-100 पॉइंट नीचे पूरा सपोर्ट है. Similarly, if you go a bit 50-100 points from here, there is a resistance for the Nifty as well. So around 800, 850, the all-time high might give some resistance over there. So it's 100 points here and there as of now for the day. But let's see which side the market goes. And if you look at the last chart of the day, so I think the banking numbers are coming good as far as the updates are concerned. So South Indian Bank, it has been consolidating near its pivot. So the base formation is really good. If you can see, if I annotated it for you, there was a low volume base formation, which is something very positive. Some good momentum near the pivot. You can see some high volume near the pivot. But then again, it went sideways. Now it is consolidating above the green line, that is the 21 DMA, on a relatively lower volume. So up days में थोड़ा volume आ रहा है, but इतना कुछ momentum नहीं है. So I think once we break out, okay, again we move about this 27.6, 28 level, we might see some good momentum in South Indian Bank. So this could be the part of your watch list. The other one is the number of funds. The number of funds has increased substantially in the last quarter. Plus the results, the EPS growth has been really consistent since last few quarters. So it's really well placed. But you need to wait for a breakout on a higher volume. Agar no, not an ideal time to get it now, but once it moves about this pivot level 27.6 और वहां से जब strength gain होता है, so you can do a pyramiding approach over here. So gradually you can buy. So firstly, after the breakout on a high volume, don't miss my word, high volume. You can start accumulating your few positions. Okay, then again when it goes higher, थोड़ा और ले लो. ऐसे दो तीन उसमें ले सकते हैं. So yeah, this is just an knowledge discussion. So please do not consider it as a direct investment advice. Please do your own research before getting into this. But this is the ideal way, according to the O'Neill approach, to look at this stock. Okay, so thank you for joining the session. That's it for the day. See you again tomorrow at 8:45 a.m.